Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix drive letter not showing in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix drive letter not showing in Windows 11 computer, open the File Explorer, click on this PC. Look here, no drive letter is showing, only drive name is showing. Now I am going to fix this issue. Click on see more icon here. Now click on options. In folder option, click on view tab and scroll down. Look here, show drive letter is turned off right now. Just click here to turn it on and then click on apply, and look, now drive letter is showing. Click on OK. This is the easiest way to fix this issue. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.